Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're immersing ourselves in the world of designer scents. Specifically, we're taking a close look at the fragrance subscription service Scentbird.
Right, Scentbird. The whole idea is pretty brilliant on the surface. You get access to over 900 designer fragrances.
So it's all about discovery then.
Exactly. For around, what, $17 a month, you get a little travel-sized spray. You just take a style quiz, fill up your online queue, and you can even skip a month if you want. It's designed so you can test things out without committing to a full, expensive bottle.
Okay, so our mission today is pretty straightforward. Is Scentbird the real deal? Or is there a catch hidden behind all that promise of luxury? We need to figure out if it's legit and if it's, actually worth it.
Let's tackle the biggest hurdle first, the one everyone asks. Is this website a scam?
Yeah, let's get right to it.
We ran the data, and Scentbird is rock solid. I mean, we're talking about a company that's been operating for over 12 years.
12 years is a long time.
It is. And more formally, sites like StamAdvisor, they give it a perfect trust score, 100 out of 100.
And that's important. A perfect score means it checks all the technical boxes, right?
Yeah.
Secure website, verified domain, all that stuff. It's absolutely not some fly-by-night pop-up site.
Exactly.
But, okay, if it's so safe and stable, why are there so many complaints out there? Safety is one thing, but satisfaction is a whole other story.
And that is where all the nuance comes in. We looked at over 16,000 reviews on Trustpilot, and the user experience really splits into two very distinct camps.
Okay, let's unpack this for everyone listening. What does it look like for the happy customers?
For them, the value is just phenomenal. They absolutely love the discovery aspect. I mean, if you've ever wanted to try a Tom Ford or a Dior scent, but you don't want to drop $100, $200 on a bottle you might hate.
Which is most of us.
Right. Scentbird solves that. That $17 sample is like an economic firewall against buyer's remorse. They're just thrilled.
But then you get the other side, the complaints. And from what I've seen, they're almost all about logistics, not the fragrances themselves.
That's it. It really boils down to two things. Shipping is often way slower than people expect, and the cancellation process is often described as tricky.
Tricky. What does tricky actually mean? Because that word can mean a lot of things.
Well, it's important to be clear here. Tricky isn't the same as a scam. It's more about retention tactics, making you click through 5 different screens or forcing you to get on a chat with an agent to actually cancel.
So it's designed to be frustrating so you just give up.
Precisely. It's a user experience headache, not a legal or fraudulent one, and that's why their trust score can stay so high, even with those complaints.
So if we pull back and look at the whole picture, the service is legitimate. It delivers what it promises. Your satisfaction really just depends on how much you can tolerate those two things: slow shipping and a difficult cancellation process.
That's it, exactly. If you're a fragrance lover, someone who really enjoys building a collection and trying new things, and you're a patient person,
I'm a very patient person,
then this service is a brilliant tool for you. But if you expect, 2-day shipping and you hate fighting with customer service, those frustrations are probably going to outweigh the fun of the samples.
Right. So if you need a new scent for an event next week, you need to plan way, way ahead. It all comes back to that shipping complaint. So here's the final thought for you to consider. Scentbird gives you the flexibility to skip a month whenever you want, which is a huge benefit. But does that flexibility really counteract the frustration of slow, unpredictable delivery? Or is the value of your monthly discovery, diminished because you have to wait so long for the payoff? What's the acceptable trade-off for access to luxury?